akala namin talaga hindi siya pure gold.
Guys, so papunta kami ng 7-Eleven since this is our last 2 nights here sa Japan, and naisipan kong mamili ng midnight snack. I'll show you kung ano yung makikita natin sa 7-Eleven. So right now, ground temperature check, it's 11 degrees Celsius. So hindi nang ganang kalamig. Hindi yung mga first night natin sa Nagoya, third night natin sa Nagoya, first night natin dito sa Tokyo, second night natin sa Tokyo. Naglalaro sa -2, -1, 1, 2, 5, ganun lang ang temperature. But right now, it's 11 degrees. So enough na isang turtleneck tapos isang jacket. Tapos may inner pa pala ako, so hindi nawawala yun because lamigin ako. Takot ako sa lamig. Anyway, we are probably 50 meters away from 7-Eleven. So join me as I explore Ueno 7-Eleven. So probably this is my 10th, 11th time visiting 7-Eleven. Sa Nagoya puro kami Family Mart kasi masarap yung chicken nila. So nagbabalak na pumunta ng Japan, don't miss out Family Mart. Their chicken is exceptionally delicious. When I say delicious, absolutely delicious. So, super sarap. Yeah, let's go. Hello guys, we are now here at 7-Eleven, and we're going to purchase some food for midnight snack and breakfast. So yeah, let's go. This is set top pick or top recommend na food. So first is yung mga pastries nila here. So yan yung mga pastries nila. They have a lot of pastries. So from sponge cake up until dun sa mga pure cake nila. Also yung mga double cream they have. And here I saw something here. This one. This is camembert cheese. So let's try this one. So i-recommend ko rin siya dahil nakatatlong pastries na ako dito, and very good siya. Very good yung pastries nila dito. When you go here, this is a pure potato na tapos wala siyang preservative added. Tapos ang expiration niya pa will be on August. So yeah, this one. Tapos salt lang siya. And you will notice that it is pure potato. Walang kung anumang preservative doon sa food. Tapos okay, dito tayo sa ice cream. Because I'm planning to purchase some ice cream. So here, okay, this one. So they have a lot of ice cream here. So yeah, this one, it's kind of cone vanilla one. So this one is very good. I've tried this one. So kuha na lang tayo na isa for our midnight snack. So then also let's get another one. This one. This one is pure vanilla. Pure vanilla. And then I'm telling you guys, kahit 30 minutes yung pa siyang hindi ilagay sa freezer, still intact. Hindi siya melted. Walang melted part dun sa ice cream. So very recommended and very tasteful siya. Wala ding preservative added. Okay. Tapos last na lang is this one. So pakita sa inyo. This one is scrambled egg with chicken and then sibuyas dahon. Okay. Or spring onion, sorry. Spring onion. So yan siya. Tapos sa baba niya mayroong rice. So ipa-microwave nyo lang to sa hotel or dito sa 7-Eleven. For free naman yun. Tapos, recently ko lang na-discover, mas masarap pala talaga siya kapag hinahalo sa rice. So yun, kuha tayo nun. Then also, they have a lot of type of onigiri. This one is tuna mayonnaise. This one is pork, tapos beans. This one is egg, beef. This one egg, beef, pork. So yan, this one. Tapos when you go here, this is seaweed onigiri. This one is fried rice naman to na onigiri with scrambled egg. Tapos this one naman is made, ano ba to? Soy sauce, mushroom, and then rice. So yun lang. Tapos ito naman, mga special onigiri naman nila. This one is with salmon naman pa. So yun lang. Other than that, marami pang pwedeng bilhin dito. So, ano ba? Also, they have sandwich also, ha? Ayun, mga sandwich. So, ubos na yung sandwich nila na scrambled egg. So, yun lang. Tapos, ito pala guys, nakalimutan ko. If nagda-diet naman kayo, and you wanted to take some fruits na fresh, 100% fresh, this one. Okay? As you can see, fresh siya, tapos may jelly. Wala din tong preservative. Tapos, ano lang siya, literal lang talaga na yung fruits ay nilagyan ng jelly para hindi rin masira. Okay? Ang expiration date niya is on November pa. Okay? Diba? Very unique. They have a lot of options. They also have these green grapes. Okay? So, yun. Tapos, ang dami pa. Tapos, if you don't want assorted, meron poncan, meron green apple. They have strawberry as well. So, yun. Ano ba? Said recommends. Okay. Yung mga coffee naman nila, itong mara-recommend ko, this one. Kasi yun, 7-Eleven regular, white mocha, cafe latte non-sweet. Yung mga ganyan. Don't ever try this one. Lalo-lalo na kapag hindi kayo into, yung pure coffee, this one. Akala namin talaga, hindi siya pure coffee. Nako, kahit 2 araw baka hindi ka antokin. Napakapait. Like pa yung green tea sa pait. So yun lang guys. And this part of naman. Yan, may mga supplies dyan. They have batteries, ball pen, scissors, tape. Okay. I forgot kung saan yung Muji, parang Lawson ata. Tapos they have here mga essentials. Tapos napansin ko kanina nandito to pero siya na lang stock. If bumibili kayo ng mga milk bath soap, this one, bili kayo ng sponge. Very good lang siya, 100 pesos lang siya, 2 sponge na yan. Tapos yun. And then they have lotion also. Kapag winter kayo pupunta, huwag niyong kakalimutan bumili nito or ito. Siguro nagtataka kayo bakit mga ganito yung nire-recommend ko. Because I bring one of my lotion, which is the Vaseline Men. Nako, walang tumalab. Literal, naubos ko yung 150 ml. Dry pa rin yung skin ko. Because iba yung water nila dito, and also siguro yung temperature nakaka-dry. So yun lang guys. Tapos, nga pala, last na lang. So mga naghahanap yun ng pure milk, always look for this one. This is 100% full cream. They also have non-fat, and then soya milk. The brand is Meiji. Okay, this one. Tapos blue. Okay, royal blue yung color niya. Okay, tapos for the juice, this one. Ito, wala rin tong preservative. Kahit i-check nyo pa. This is a 7-Eleven 100% na yun. 100% orange juice. They have a lot of variants or available dito. They have green tea, tea, jasmine, roasted green tea, and many more. So yeah. So yun lang guys. Check out na kami dahil ginagabi na. Time check, it's 11:45 PM in the evening. So we have to pay this one na. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.